Today, we're gonna install this. Today, we're gonna install lighted door sills, which I have here. But first, let me bring back my daughter, Abigail. Abby, brought her back today, and we're gonna film this product, installing it, testing it out, checking it out. A number of months ago, I was looking on the Tesla website and I saw that Tesla had lighted door sills, and they were over a couple $100, and they were the two driver and passenger front doors. Then months later, I saw that Hansshow had 4 lighted door sills, 2 for the front, 2 for the back, for about $200. And I said, I wonder if they would send me some to try out. And guess what they did? I contacted Hansshow and they sent me out a set of lighted door sills. The only problem was they sent me silver and I wanted black. Right now we have black and I wanted black. I think the black and the white are a good contrast. So I reached back out and said, hey, I really wanted black, not silver. And they said, no problem, we'll send you a set of black. So they did, but that means I have the black to install and a set of silver
to give away.
So at the end of the video, watch the end of the video, you'll see how you can get in the contest to get the silver set of lighted door sills for free. And they're about $200 value, so awesome deal. Anyway, let's go ahead and open this up, check out what we've got inside. We'll clean the door sills and then we'll install them, and then we'll show you what it looks like tonight when it gets dark. So let's get to it. Okay, so this is what we got here. I undid the tape, but I haven't opened it up. Okay, so looks like we have some additional lights for the bottom of the door, which I'm not sure where we have those. Didn't ask for those. Some extra stuff. Aha, we have, looks like 2 rear and 2 front sills. And then we got some extra stuff. We got some adhesion promoter. We've got some extra foam pieces. And this looks like extra pieces, but let's see what we got on each one of these. Yeah, I'm not sure what that is. Yeah, well, let's open one of these up, see what we got. Okay, so I did get black, but if you notice, it's got like some silver lines through it. So it's not pure black, which actually, the more I think about it, it's probably good, because these things are probably going to get nicked and scratched, and to have something that's a perfect flat surface, it probably wouldn't notch up real quick and look bad. But you can see, okay, on the back, it has some 3M tape. It's got some foam pads, and that looks like what this is. Looks like this is extra pieces, extra 3M tape, and some extra foam pads in case you need them. And the batteries must go in here. Yes. And in fact, it tells you on there that there's CR2032 batteries. So I guess if you ever needed to replace the batteries, you could pop this off, put the batteries on, get some new tape, and pop it back on. One of the things I didn't like about the Tesla door sills is that in order to put them on the car, you had to pull off the old door sills. And watching videos of a couple different YouTubers doing it, it looks like, to me, the glue is really tough to get off. In fact, I saw Dirty Tesla do it, and he had to pry the plastic off, then he had to get the glue off, and it took a long time. This is gonna go to the back where there is no door sill, so that's easy. And these actually are made to fit over the existing door sill. So you don't have to take off the old door sill. And the other ones, when you glued them on, they were like a permanent, glue, so it's gonna be hard to get off. These only have these 2 pieces of tape again, so if I ever need to replace the batteries, I could probably pop these off, new batteries, new tape, put them back on. So really, really cool. I like the way they look. But let's get the door cleaned, and then let's get some installation going on.
So today we're going to be using the Car Guys Professional Detailing. Excuse my nails. I painted them on vacation and haven't fixed them.
Super cleaner.
It's the Premium Series Super Cleaner. And we're going to use that to clean the area first. That way it's nice and clean, so the sticker sticks really well.
Okay, so these supposedly are going to sit right on top of the old one, and then we're not going to have to lock it in place, basically. It's going to, oh yeah, it definitely fits. So if you move it around, you can feel how it fits right over the top, and there's no movement at all. So this thing is definitely modeled to fit right on there. So that's perfect. But what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to let's stick that on. Then we're gonna stick a donut on here, so when we shut the door, we know where to put the magnet. These are actually activated by a magnet. When the door opens, it disconnects the magnet, stays on for a little bit, then shuts off, and the magnet's actually right here. So this is all nice and clean. First, let's get the adhesion cleaner. You want to hand me that little packet there, or the adhesion promoter, which is going to help this to stick. Da-da-da. All right. And I actually got some more of these on the internet. There's another product I'm going to be installing later where I bought some more of these. Actually, there we go. You can smell it.
Kind of smells like paint.
I think it's like alcohol based. All right. We'll take off the tape. I should have your fingernails. I don't have the fingernail polish on like you do. All right. Then we just want to press down really good so adhesive works. All right. Looks pretty good. Then we need the donuts. Just bring the donuts right there, yeah. So these little guys, we're going to put one over the top of here, upside down, so the sticky part sticks up. Right there. Then we're just going to shut the door on you. When we open the door back up, look, it's gone. Now, I'll show you where.
Where did it go?
I'll show you. So when we shut the door, it went right there. So that's where we're going to need to stick the magnet to turn this thing on and off. Magnet? Oh, it's on here. And the magnet is right here. So if we pull that off, it's got a little bit of tape on the back of it. Pull that off and stick this in the hole. There we go. Then we just shut the door. When we open the door, it's lit up. You can't tell because it's daylight, but it is lit up. And that's as easy as it is. It's done. We just need to take off the cover, the plastic. Voila, we have a lighted door sill.
Wow, we'll have to come back and
check it out at night.
Later on at night when we can see it lit up. But let's go ahead and do the other door sills.
Yeah, well, the back is a little different because the back actually does not have a molded fitting to fit over. So there's a trick to do in the back. So let's go do the back right now. All right, so for the back, I got a little trick that I watched. Actually, I watch his channel. He showed us this tip. And the funny thing that was weird is that I actually got these, but I didn't have a chance to get them installed because it was during tax season. And right after I got them, I saw iWantTesla do a video, and Bearded Tesla. I've had these forever. These guys got their video out before me, but oh well. But at least I learned something from iWantTesla. What he did is, it's kind of, there's no spot here necessarily to just stick it because there's nothing to put it over the top of. And in fact, it's kind of curvy, but there's one spot right there where it fits pretty good, and you can feel it fits pretty good. So what I want to do is I want to mark that spot. Actually, let's get some duct tape off first. And by the way, one comment he had, which I totally agree, I would leave the cover on these till you're done because it's very easy to drop them. All right, so let's get some of this painter tape off. And it's just blue painter tape, medium adhesion. Don't want anything that's going to really stick for long. I'm just going to get 2 pieces off. Again, props to iWantTesla for his video. He did this and it worked really well. So once I find where that sweet spot is, I'm going to mark the edges of it so I can get it right back on the same spot. without not sticking itself. All right, looks good. Then we can take off the 3M tape on the back. Da, da, da. The other one felt a little dry, so I wanted to get a new one out. Yeah, this one's definitely wetter. This will clean off any gook on there. Hopefully give us a real good stick. Now if we can just put it back on where I had it. Make sure it looks even. There. Then you want to press down. Nice and sticky. We need another donut. Nope. Oh, there is there.
You only have 3 primers. You want me to put that out of
I have more. I ordered more and I have more. But yeah, we could definitely do that. All right. Try not to get the donut to stick in your finger. Shut the door. Voila, it's gone. We need to get the metal tag off here. Uh-oh. Definitely not doing it when it's hot. All right, take the tape off, take the cover off. Let's shut the door, open it up, and it is lit up. Although you can't tell, it is lit up. All right, let's go ahead and finish off the other doors, and then we'll show you what it looks like. All right, it's later in the day. It's time to check our work. Are you ready?
Yep, let's check
Let's
it
do
out.
it. Here we go. Nice. Very nice.
The back too.
Let's check the other side of the car. Maybe dark over there. Oh, there's the back. Aha. Nice. Turned out pretty good. I think it's a little darker over here. Dun, 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 dun. Show me this side. Show me this side. Nice. And we got the Y in the ground too. Very cool. Here's a shot at night. See, they light up really nice. So what do you think?
I think they look very slick.
I think they're very cool. I don't know if I would pay $200. I guess if I'm going to get the Tesla ones, I'm only going to get 2. It's going to be a lot more work to get them off. These are so easy to install, as you saw, and I get 4. So if I'm going to get lighted door sills, these are the ones I'm going to get. I did find that you can pop them off actually to get those batteries out without taking the sticker off. So if you pop enough, leverage it, it'll pop off the plastic. So you don't even have to take the stickers off if you want to replace the batteries. And I think these batteries are going to last a long time because they're used very little. Only when the door's open and for like 5 seconds and it turns off. So, but we do have something. We have this.
We have the giveaway of the silver lighted door sills, the 4 of them, just as you saw here.
Black, instead of black, they're silver. There's 4 of them. I have not even opened the box. It is unopened. I will mail it to you. Again, I believe it's a $200 value, but check the link in the description down below. You'll see the listed price, but I believe it's about $200. So if you like this video and subscribe and leave a comment, and let's say the comment's going to be, I want one, then I'll enter you in the contest. I'll randomly draw somebody, probably going to give us a couple weeks, 2 weeks maybe. It's a pretty good prize, so we'll see how many people we get in 2 weeks, and this could be yours for free. All you got to do is say, I want one. So Let's check out the sunset as we go out into the evening. An awesome sunset tonight. Like, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.